Steve Hofmeyer was arrested just outside Pretoria when he was racing at 169 km an hour in a 120 km an hour zone. In a statement, he admitted that his actions were irresponsible and dangerous. At the time of his arrest, Tshwane Metro Police found that Hofmeyer also had 5 outstanding speeding fines. These fines were issued by Johannesburg Metro Police. Hofmeyer was released after paying police R500 bail. According to a traffic official, anyone caught traveling 160 km an hour or more will be arrested. He explained that Malema was caught driving 55 km an hour faster than the arresting speed. That's why he was granted bail of R5,000 while Hofmeyer only paid R500. Hofmeyer was caught doing 9 km per hour over the arresting speed. He will appear in the Bronkhorstspruit Magistrates Court on Monday, facing a charge of reckless or negligent driving. Gerard Pretorius, Johannesburg.
Know more about your world.
ENCA.com